for
Not launched yet.
not launched yet. It'll launch soon. So if you Google Pixel 3 Lite, you'll actually see the.
The model is from HTC, similar with HTC? Or
No, they're actually they share the same technology,
Okay.
different hardware.
Okay, different hardware.
So they have the same core technology, but slightly different philosophies.
Okay.
And in fact, if I show you upstairs later, you can see the HTC.
Yes,
The
yes.
XL, the XL is the flagship. This is the AMOLED.
This one
This
is
is the
flagship one.
LG Pro. So that's the biggest, because AMOLED material is very hard to acquire. Because
Yes, it's just
Apple and Samsung.
Yeah, Samsung did.
So we've only had acquired enough for one phone. If you let's say you have all three of them, they at least rest on the same Wi-Fi. So it becomes
It's not extended. Not only functioning as extended.
Extended mesh network?
yes, a little bit like a mesh network. So for example, if you had a lot of these, and you had these, if you have 5 of these resting on the same network, you could do these for inbound calls. Because you could talk to them and say, hey, I want to talk to my son Maggie from, hey Maggie, you gotta wake up. You could do intercom calls with this. You can set alarms for the other devices. So there's a lot of synergies. You could play your Spotify in all 5.
Okay.
Yeah. You could do
Just like
broadcasting.
intercom things, yeah.
Yes, but they have to rest on the same calls.
Yes, the test just 100%.
As long as I'm a full-time employee, I can go to any city, I can go to the cafe, I can eat at lunch, I can take the hardware and eat when I work, and I can work anywhere. All of our meetings are by video conference, so if I'm meeting with somebody with Henki, all I have to do is send him a calendar, map it to a meeting room. You come in, you push this button, and you are connected. So I was in here 1 hour ago. This was my meeting. I come here, I push this button, and we are now in a meeting with the other people who are in the collaboration. Right now, obviously, there's nobody in there. It's just our meeting room. But typically, there would be a couple, and then there are different modes you could set this to.
What is this? This Google.
This is your hardware.
You mean the
Google-
hardware or
Google Meeting?
the hardware or the software part?
This is Google Meeting. Yeah.
Google.
There is a name for it. There's a hardware you could buy that hosts all of this. Yeah. So you could actually buy a mini gateway that will host these meetings and many small and medium businesses.
Yeah. And the beer today menu.
And because this is only for sale in the US,
Oh.
so many of my customers, small, medium startups, they buy this from the US and set it up, and then
So we just connect it to internet.
yes,
And then we can set up our own meeting.
yes, yes.
Have you
And
also
this
using
is
this for
incredible.
Xinyi to buy one?
Right.
This is super useful.
But when we buy in US, we can use set up anywhere.
Yes. Most of we still operate like a startup, like an engineering company. As long as you can set everything up, you're okay. But if you need servicing, so many of our products are designed for geeks.
Yeah.
So you look at our office versus downstairs, we have PwC, also in this building. Square footage per employee is 3:1. So every square footage per person at Google equates to the square footage of 3 employees in PwC. The reason is because we have a lot of common space. We want people to interact. We want
What is
people
the
to
ratio?
ratio? 1 to 3. So the space for one person here is for space for 3 people downstairs at PwC. Very packed. And you'll see this almost every corner of the building is a collaboration area. And I think the facilities to take very good care. They want you to focus on working. So they'll take care of everything else. If you look at, we really encourage a very healthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
You see lots of organic fruits. Yes. And we will find healthy snacks.
Oh.
Yeah, So
all
these-
employee know how to get the unhealthy stuff. Employee.
So yeah, they
Running acquired the country is like to remember any other place.
it's universal. In fact, we have one food team Melihat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have one facility. So they all roll up to the facility team and food team. So this is a global policy.
Also in
Google. Oh yeah, the Republic complex. Yeah. It's no, it's close to Xinyi. 淡水 is that way. Close to 淡水, that's Asus.
Oh, Asus.
Yeah, but Acer is this way. We can see the Acer building right there. Yeah. Today, you guys came on a very good day today. So, the reason I like this view is because it's not mountains.
Very beautiful, yeah.
The airport in front and the nature and we're snorkeling here. It's nature. Yeah, nature. Everything that you have is that's Isinya.
And also you will have the beautiful stadium here. Arena.
Yes. Yes, whenever it's
Oh,
it's a new one.
yes. And it's a big scandal, so that's why
yeah, it's like
Stop.
Yes.
Everything will be set up on China. All the applications will work. Why do we need this? Because when you travel to companies like Korea, China, you go in empty-handed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the smartphone.
Your desktop, your laptop is not confiscated by the government.
Yeah.
They cannot take away our technology.
Yeah.
Now you go to the office, you open this, you log out, boom, you can work again.
Ah.
So this is the concept of cloud.
Oh, yeah.
You could be enabled to work anywhere. Once you're done, just put it in there, lock it. And the company generally provides you with everything you need. They don't have to register anything to they would take in. It's just so they really make it comfortable for everyone. So as you can see, I could be from Korea, I could be from Malaysia. I just find the space on my phone. I don't need to be in I don't have to be in my home country. I can work from anywhere. Yeah.
Local cafe is 75. Yeah.
Yeah. And we're probably one of the very few companies that will rent floor on the most expensive high floor in Taipei and use it for employee cafe. So this employee cafe seats 66 people, and we've hired. There is a food team. So this is the food team.
Food team.
10 of them. Half of them chef, and the other 5 helpers, and we hired them from 5-star hotels. They yes, and the food cost, not talking about other costs, but just the material food ingredient cost per person per day is 400 NT, which is about $13 US. And usually there's a 60% markup on food. So you can imagine that these guys do a lot of all of the bread, dessert is cooked with meats. To ensure safety, there's no they're preparing for TGIF. But TGIF is kind of a friendly Japanese event with relays and noodles. So they're getting everything ready, including beer. So this is the third place that you work for that you could drink on the job. In my last job was for Intel. So in my drinking job, that is a term for termination. But here you can drink, they give you drinks. Yeah. Yeah. Here for lunch, they give you fresh items. So they usually make something fresh. This is done for every lunch, every day lunch. But this dessert is, this pizza is right, and they tell you what is the menu for the pizza. So let me take you around the floor. This is but on the 76th floor, because Googlers sometimes have lunch meetings, so they have a cafe open from 10 to 4:30.
Oh,
So that's set meal. So it's not like it's a set meal that you could work with if you have a different schedule. And because this floor is also named after the beautiful sites in Taiwan, this is Jiufen. So if you can eat Jiufen, you will have to come to the tea alley and also the view of the mountains. Jiufen, as you probably know, is the biggest. The reason why it's so crowded is it was once the biggest gold mine in Asia. So that's why the workers are crowded into a very small space on the mountain.